Hello friends, in this video we will look some of the numericals concerned with the concept of Gibbs phase rule. So coming to the question, what are the degrees of freedom of a system of two components when a number of phases is 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we consider the number of components in the system as 2. So we need to find the degrees of freedom when the number of phase is 1 and when the number of phase is 2, what is the degrees of freedom and so on. So if we consider the number of phases as 1, we have the degrees of freedom from the Gibbs phase rule as F is equal to C minus P plus 2. So from this we get F as 2 minus 1 plus 2. So F we get the degrees of freedom or number of independent variables which can be varied without changing the phases in equilibrium. We got the degrees of freedom as 3 if we consider number of phases as 1. Similarly, if we take number of phases as 2 in equilibrium, we get the degrees of freedom as C minus P plus 2. It is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 2. We get the degrees of freedom as 2. So similarly consider the number of phases as 3, which is given in the question. So we get the degrees of freedom as C is 2 minus 3 plus 2. We get the degrees of freedom as 1, right? Similarly and so on. Let us take the number of phases in equilibrium as 4. We get the degrees of freedom as 2 minus 4 plus 2. We get F is equal to 0. So the degrees of freedom, the minimum value of degrees of freedom is equal to 0, right? The degrees of freedom cannot be negative. So the degrees of freedom is equal to 0 implies the maximum number of phases, that can exist in equilibrium, in equilibrium for a two component system is the maximum number of phases that can coexist in equilibrium is 4, right? Let us look into the next problem. At atmospheric pressure arbitrarily chosen, it means pressure is taken as constant in constructing the phase diagram. A material of unknown composition shows 4 phases in equilibrium. So we are having 4 phases in equilibrium at 987 Kelvin. What is the minimum number of components in the system? We need to find the minimum number of components that exist in the system. So as the pressure is taken as at atmospheric pressure is fixed in constructing the phase diagram, we use the condensed Gibbs phase rule, which is given by P plus F is equal to C plus 1. So from this we get the degrees of freedom or the total number of independent variables capital F as C minus P plus 1. So it's already given there are 4 phases which exist in equilibrium. So we write it as C minus we are interested in finding the minimum number of components. So let us write the equation for C. We get from this equation, we get the C as P plus F minus 1. So the C, as it is given, the 4 phases are in equilibrium, 4 plus F minus 1. So C is equal to F plus 3. We want the minimum number of components. The minimum number of components exist when degrees of freedom is minimum. The minimum degrees of freedom which we get is equal to 0. So if we substitute this one, we get the C minimum as 0 plus 3. So the minimum number of components in the system, we get it as 3. So these are some of the fundamental problems which can be asked from the concept of Gibbs phase rule.